this video I'm going to show you how to make broccoli and Stilton soup. So you're going to start off by getting your ingredients ready and then preparing your onion by peeling and then finally dicing your onion so that it is ready to fry. So you're going to put it in about 1 tablespoon of oil into a medium to large size saucepan and then put it onto a medium heat to allow your onion to soften without any colour. Whilst that's happening, you're going to prepare your potatoes by peeling it and dicing it into about 1 centimetre diced. You don't want it too big because it'll take too long to cook, and this will be used to help thicken your soup. You also need to prepare your broccoli, so trim the end of the stalk and any leaves, and then just chop that into smallish chunks. And then with the head of your broccoli, you're just going to cut it into smaller florets. Once your onions have softened, you are going to add in your potatoes with a knob of butter and then stir it and then allow it to sweat for about 5 minutes to start the softening of your potatoes. After 5 minutes, you're going to add your liquid and your stock cube, as well as the broccoli stalks, and they're going to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the potatoes to fully soften. After about 15 minutes, you are going to add in the florets of broccoli. You don't want to cook it for too long, otherwise it'll lose its colour and it won't be that vibrant green colour for your soup. So after about 5 minutes, check to see whether they are soft, and if it's ready, you can then turn off the heat so that you can then get your stick blender and blend your soup. Obviously you need to be careful as it is hot liquid as you are blending, and you're blending it so that you get a nice smooth consistency and getting rid of any lumps. Once you've got to that consistency, you can crumble in some of your Stilton and blend it in, and then you can check for seasoning and crumble in the rest of your Stilton.